Hydraulics have been used for many years. It has supported manufacturing throughout the world. Now it will be used to realize a carbon-neutral society. First, we will reduce greenhouse gas emissions from our factories. We will harness all of Daikin Group's technologies to realize factories that simultaneously achieve energy savings and comfort. We also have energy-saving technologies for improving our customers' work environments. We contribute to energy savings at the factory with a hybrid system that combines our know-how in hydraulics with motor inverter technologies. Through environmentally friendly factories, we engage in corporate activities that contribute to the realization of a carbon-neutral society. Daikin's Oil Hydraulics division will continue striving in pursuit of a sustainable future by leveraging our passion and technologies.